Right, YouTube, so in this episode we solve my dodgy 6th gear issue. Stay tuned for that. Alright, so in December I suddenly started to get an issue where it was really difficult to get into 6th gear. You know, I panicked and thought it was like a synchro thing because, you know, a lot of the Civics have problems with 3rd gear. I think 3rd gear, 2nd gear, I know it's definitely 3rd gear, where the synchros start to go and then it's a struggle to get it in gear. So I finally got around to looking at it, and luckily it was an easy fix. So for you guys who have relocated your battery for like a cold air induction kit, one of the harnesses, which has got a few cables, there's 2 that go to the fuse box and the one that goes to your battery. So you'll see in the video, when the car goes into 6th gear, it pushes against the cables, so it has to sort of push them out of the way before it goes into 6th gear. So this is going to be a really quick video, so stay tuned and see how I fix that issue. Right, so I've got my lovely assistant in the car to demonstrate how the cable is fouling when changing into 6th gear. Alright, so apologies, the camera ran out of batteries, but as you can see, I've rerouted this big thick cable, or a few cables, so it's now behind or to the left of the water hose. So you can just about see it down there. It comes up the other side of the water hose now, so it's not fouling against the gear changer down there. So if my lovely assistant will demonstrate. So we're going 5th to 6th, so we're missing now. So yeah, bonus. Just means I had to disconnect the cable up by the fuse box so I could reroute it. The other side is a bit of a squeeze, but it went through with all this gubbins attached. So there we are. Job done, fixed, and hopefully with some nice smooth gear changes now. So as you saw, it was a relatively easy fix, but it might not be something you'd think of looking at. So if this has helped someone out, then job done. So thanks for watching as always. Please like and subscribe, hit the old notifications bell, and I shall see you on the next one. Cheers guys.